Alex. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe if you like videos about everything luxury. So today I have here the Gucci unboxing. So this Gucci is from Gucci Outlet from Orlando Premium Vineland Outlets. So I went yesterday in the Gucci store and got like few items there. They had like really good selection, I'd say. For example, they have a lot of bags and they all not more like than $1,000, even like the bigger one. And I saw like a bag, for example, the round one from stores, because it's like a burgundy color and it has like this Gucci strap in the middle, and it's round one and it has like a logo, kind of like a Marmont style, and it's just $900. In stores last time I saw this bag it was about 1500. Okay, so I didn't take any bag this time. Usually every time that I go in Gucci Outlet I come back with a bag and a scarf. This time I wanted to take a scarf, but I want like white one with Gucci logos like around there, and like a huge and like a triangle size, kind of like square one, yeah, to wear it like a triangle. But they didn't have specific. They had like gray, like dark grays, but nothing like silver or something like that, so a white. And I didn't take any scarf. I saw a scarf that last time I bought. I made video about that scarf from Black Friday. They still have this style, and they even have like another colors of it. So this time I wanted to take a wallet. I can't say like really need a wallet, but I just wanted to get a wallet from Gucci because I recently got wallet from Chanel and from Louis Vuitton, but I sold all my wallets that I had from Gucci and I realized that I would love to have one, but not like super simple, but something like more like kind of, you know, dressy or not really like usual stuff. So, and I found it for really good price in the Gucci Outlet store yesterday. So let's take a look. So they give you this bag, like classy Gucci bag, like a paper bag, and inside it's a little box here. Okay, so a little box here like this, and they give you this Gucci envelope with receipts and everything like over here. Okay, let's talk about prices a little bit later. First, let's take a look on this beautiful Gucci wallet. So the box is just like this, the small box. Because I didn't take a really big wallet, I don't have like really any need in this big wallets because all my bags pretty small. I would say even some of them big, but I never really care like a lot of stuff in my wallet or like cash or something. All I need like card holders or something like that. So I got this. Okay, so you see it over here, it has its own dust bag, super little and like super cute. Okay, this is how it looks in a dust bag, and it opens like you flip it over here, and this is it. Well, I picked this wallet because it's really cute. It's as you can see, like a very light pink. I'd say like a baby pink or something. And I like all these gingers, and I like so much this cat in the middle. If you can see, this is, I'm sorry, if you can see, this is like Gucci kind of style. All these cats and bees. They had this one with a cat and had like similar one to this, but just pink without any gingers like all over it, and it was a bee here. And this one is a little bit more expensive than the other one, but it's about like $20 difference. So inside it looks like this. and it's actually pretty roomy. If you can see, it has, okay, let me take out all this paper. Okay, so it has all this little book for carry stuff and responsibility and everything here, and nothing else. Okay, so it's basically you have 3 slots for credit cards on that side. 1, 2, 3, and it says Gucci over here, made in Italy. I'm not sure if you can see, it's really good here. Okay, and it also has the pocket here. I mean, not pocket, so, and all these numbers here from Gucci Authenticity or something, I don't know. And the second slot is over here, and one more Gucci little book. And what else? There is one more pocket over here as well. Okay, let me take out all this paper from every pocket. Another one, another book here. Okay, and in the middle we have the zip. I guess it's a coin purse part over here, and you see that this quite roomy, so it's not like little super tiny. If you see, it's quite wide section here. Okay, so I guess I took all the paper out, and there is also here the part for the bills, and there is more paper here. I actually didn't even see this part until store associate told me. Okay, so, and what else? As I said, there is 3 slots on that side. There is 1, 2 slots over here. There is a huge coin section here that has a zip here, and there is one more slot just behind the zip one, and of course this big one here. It's actually pretty roomy wallet, I'd say. It's not like magnetic or anything, you have to really push it to close it. Okay, so this is the wallet I got, and I so much like this color. I had similar wallet but big size, how it's called, micro Guccisma, I don't know, I have no idea, I still can't remember this word. So I had this wallet, but it was big for me. It was pink as well, but not like 2 big GGs here, like super little ones, like micro, and I sold it because it was too big for me. So now I have this one, and this one is really nice size. It's similar to my Chanel wallet. I have like Chanel purse coin or coin purse, something like that, and this particular like similar size to this one. Okay, so let's talk about the prices, how much I paid for this one. I know that the price was super good. So this wallet called, okay, let me see how it's called, if it has here. Okay, I'm not sure how exactly this wallet called, but it's the price for this one is $245. So it's $245 for this Gucci wallet, and as I believe, the Gucci stuff that has all these bees and cats and snakes, it's more expensive. It's kind of more expensive. It's not really outlet style. And then I went to outlet. I always ask them if this particular piece I'm looking for, is it like outlet collection or it's like a real collection, I mean from a real stores came. So, and this all of this style was from real collection, because they had like, when you come in a store, from one side they have like all this micro Guccisma and all this stuff like this with little Gigi's, with all this monogram canvas materials, and it's all like as far as I know, it's all made for outlets especially. And from another side you will see all these Marmont styles that, for example, went out of style from stores, or like from previous collection, previous years or something like that. So in our side they have like all these monogram bags, like shoulder bags with all these huge chains and stuff, like all the stuff that you usually see in the stores. They have like from another side of the store. It's something that I actually mentioned for a long time ago. All the time when I go in the store, I see it like this way, like one part more like usual stuff and more cheaper one, and another side is like more expensive one. Okay, so I guess this is it about this beautiful wallet, and I'm so happy that I was able to get this this particular kind of style. I so much like all these bees and cats and all this kinda. I still looking for sneakers that has all the snakes around it, and I so much like it. I also saw like boots yesterday in the store. They were just $400. They had like this kind of heel, and they were like a huge one, and the same like Gigi's like here, but they come like really heavy, and for me just to carry them from Florida to New York is like there is no sense. But I got the number from a sale associate who can just ship whatever I want if they have in the store here to me in New York. So this is a good visit, and I had like a lot of information that I wanted to get, and I'm so happy that I got this beautiful wallet this visit. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon with more videos. I think next video is gonna be about Prada handbag, my first Prada that I finally going to make video. Alright, thank you, bye.